In this video from Shop Stuff, we're going to quickly demonstrate how to perform a full factory reset on the SR-S500 cash register. To do this, turn the key to the off position, press and hold down feed, turn the key back round to PGM, and when the display lights up, or just before the display lights up, release the feed key. Now type in 12540 and press subtotal. The machine will now perform a factory reset, which will take a minute or so to process. It looks like nothing's happening, but it's doing it and it will complete it. You should only perform the factory reset if you're happy to totally wipe the machine and understand that all sales data and all programming data will be reset, so the date will go back to how it was. There'll be none of your personalised programming on the machine, and there'll be no sales history. So you might do this if you're selling the machine, or if you've misprogrammed it and want to start programming again from scratch. There we go, the machine has been factory reset. You can either reprogram or turn off. For more information on the SRS range of Casio cash registers, please visit shopstuff.co.uk. Thanks for watching.